Cut a banana into pieces and put it in a water bottle. Look what happens. In this channel we try to alleviate your daily life with little tips that will help you solve big problems. In this case, the annoying flies that are always hovering our food and annoying our loved ones and ourselves. Do fruit flies usually come first to the fruit bowl? Once you settle in, these unwelcome guests generally stay over the bill. Luckily, there are many simple ways to remove fruit flies from your home and keep them from coming back. The flies are constantly buzzing around our heads, and although no one invites them, they sit with us at our table in our delicious food. Let's help you avoid it with a few simple tricks and a very low cost. This is all you need, other than water. 1. Cut the bottle as you see it in the picture. 2. Pour some sugar into the bottom, just enough to cover it. 3. Cut the banana into pieces. 4. Insert it next to the sugar in the bottle. 5. Now fill with water until you have covered the sugar and banana. 6. Mix everything well with a fork or spoon. 7. Place the top of the bottle as shown. 8. Place it in a visible place and you will see how it works. If you are going to spray some toxic product, such as Clorox, do it only when the room is well ventilated. Also, think about putting on a mask.